It didn't mean much to me until I realized how happy my teammates and my coaches were for me, and even the parents of some of my teammates, they made me like a shirt and signs and stuff, so that was nice.
Had that been something that you were counting down to? I know after last season you were only like 44 away. Were you thinking about it coming into the year?
No, I didn't realize I was that close, and I didn't know that you like celebrated when you got 1,000, so it was kind of a surprise.
What happened when you got to 1,000? Did you do a little celebration or anything?
No, I didn't realize, but then all the parents started cheering, and they pulled out these signs and stuff, and everyone started clapping, so that was nice while we were in Texas.
Is that maybe your most memorable moment of your career so far?
Not the most memorable, maybe the second or third most memorable. That was nice.
And talk a little bit about being able to beat a number 25 team, Abilene Christian.
That felt really good because everyone played good, and it wasn't just like a couple people's efforts. We all worked together, and it was fun to do with all the new freshmen and stuff.